The Cebu Flowerpecker quadricolor is a small endemic bird species in the Philippines, especially found in the island of Cebu. It has distinctive physical characteristics including a blue back, white belly, and red head and neck, making it striking sight in its natural habitat. The species inhabits tropical and subtropical forests, particularly in areas with coffee trees and other ornamental plants, where it can be found foraging for food on tree branches and leaves. Its diet consists mainly for fruits, flowers, and insects, which it searches for its sharp, pointed beak. As the Cebu flowerpecker feeds on nectar, it transfers pollen between flowers, facilitating pollination. Additionally, it consumes fruits and then deposits the seeds in its new location, often with a pile of fertilizer, promoting seed dispersal and germination. The Cebu flowerpecker preys on small insects such as beetles, flies, and spiders, helping to regulate their population. This reduces the need of pesticides and maintains the balance of ecosystem. Habitat loss and formation, primarily caused by lodging and infrastructure development, have reduced the availability of suitable habitat for the species. Additionally, the flowerpecker is hunted for the pet trade, further contributing to its declining population. Conservation efforts are necessary to protect this unique and fascinating species, including the establishment of protected areas and education programs to raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Furthermore, research is needed to better understand the ecology and behavior of the Cebu flowerpecker in order to develop effective and conservation strategies. This includes studying its breeding habits, foraging behavior, and social interactions, as well as monitoring its population trends with habitat use. By working together to protect the Cebu flowerpecker and its habitat, we can help ensure the long-term survival of this remarkable species. Philippine teak, also known as Tecnata philippinensis. It's a species of a teak native to the Philippines. It's a large-sided tree that can grow to 40 meters tall with a broad and rounded crown and a straight columnar trunk. Philippine teak produces a valuable timber used locally and nationally for construction. It is also used locally as firewood. It is one of the only tree species in the genus Tectona, which includes the commercial teak Tectona grandis, one of the few tropical timbers successfully grown as pollination crop. Philippine teak may have potential as a genetic resource for future teak breeding programs aimed at improving supplies of this highly popular wood. Philippine teak is also known for Batangas Province, Luzon Island, and Iling Island, Mindoro in the Philippines, where it is confined to limestone forests. Recent information suggests that it is found in highly disturbed forest edge surrounded by agricultural and degraded forests. Philippine teak is a hardwood species prized for its durability, strength, and resistance to rot, decay, and insect damage. The wood has a straight grain pattern with a coarse, uneven texture. Philippine teak is threatened by habitat destruction over exploitation for timber and firewood. The forests where it occurs are becoming increasingly small and fragmented as land is cleared for agriculture and other use. The preference for immature trees for timber is an additional threat since fewer trees reach reproductive age.